Hello and welcome to BirdEase. In this video, we'll be taking you on a quick tour of our platform to demonstrate some key features, website capabilities, and inspiration for your own event. Right away here on the landing page, you'll likely take notice of a few different branding customization options that you'll have throughout the site. Instead of the BirdEase logo, you would see your own tournament or organization specific logo here. Same goes for the colors you're going to see throughout the site. As for the overall theme, navigation, button, and accent colors, you'll see here in this example website that we have everything branded in a BirdEase green. On your own website, you'll have access to the theme section where you can drop in your own specific hex codes, or you can easily adapt the entire theme of the website to the logo that you've uploaded. As for the banner image, we do have a few stock banner options, but you're also welcome to upload your own image. A pretty popular choice on our platform is to upload the photo of the golf course that you'll be playing at to add that personal touch to the banner space. You also have customization options for the widgets that are present here. You can choose whether or not you'd like to show a goal thermometer and a countdown to the day of your event, and you get to determine the goal that's shown here. Just underneath the banner, you will notice that there is an auto-scrolling carousel. This offers some great value to any prospective sponsors of your event. You'll see that their names and logos are very prominently shown, and you can also optionally tag each sponsor with whatever level they sponsored at. Each of these logos are clickable and would link you out to that respective company's website. As we move down the page, you will see that there is an event description space for you to talk a little bit about your event. You're welcome to link out to other pages, embed files, add photo or video. Whatever you'd like to be present here front and center on your website is up to you. And then at the very bottom, you'll see that there is a space to add the date of your event, itemized times for each occurrence, a way to reach out to the main contact, and a physical location for the course or venue. You'll also see that you have a Google Maps widget available, which will auto-populate based on the physical address you've entered here. Moving on to the register page, this is where you'll be able to list all of your standard registration opportunities, from golfer sign up to volunteer registration, add-ons, day of purchases, and anything else you'd like to offer. We offer your registrants a full cart system. This means that they are able to add any item that they want to their cart. They can go in to adjust quantities, and they can be suggested additional items for purchase. They can then register all at once for everything they'd like. This not only ensures a seamless experience for the registrant, but also compiles a nice tidy registration for you on the back end of the system. In cases where people are purchasing multi-golfer packages or multiple individual golfers, we do recognize that not everyone is going to know who they plan to golf with right when they sign up. With our system, that is completely fine. Your registrant can move all the way through registration till payment, and when they receive their confirmation email letting them know that they have successfully signed up for your event, it will include a link to get back into their registration so they can provide golfer names at a later time. On the sponsorships page, this is a similar layout as the registration page, but of course for your sponsorship packages specifically. It's important to note that these are purely just examples. You can offer whatever sponsor packages you'd like. You can set your own name, content, pricing, and limited availability for any of these packages. If a certain level is exclusive or if you have limited resources available, you can set that cap from the beginning. The system will track it for you automatically and then mark that package as sold out once the limit has been hit. This also applies to your overall event turnout. If you can only have a set number of golfers on the course, say 144 for example, the system will track this limit for you across all packages, being regular golfer registration options as well as any sponsorships that might come with golfers. It's also important to know that with our sponsor sign-up process, we will prompt your sponsor for all of their own information when they sign up. They will be asked to provide an image file of their logo, their company name, a link to their website and any other social media profiles they'd like highlighted, as well as a brief description of their company. All of that information will auto-populate for you in a sponsor images section on the back end of the system, which allows you to go and display your logos throughout the site and also download them in full resolution to your computer to then go and make your promotional material and signage. On the About Us page, you have open text space to talk a little bit about yourself, your organization, and the cause that you seek to benefit. Similar to the homepage, you can add photo, video, embed a file, or link out to other web pages here. On the Our Supporters page, this is just another way to recognize your event sponsors. You'll see that you can choose to drop your sponsors into specific tiers. You can choose the size that the logos are shown on the page, and you can drag and drop them into a desired order. On the auction items page, you'll find our silent auction system. There is no extra cost to use this system, and there are no fees associated with it. You can offer as many items as you'd like, set starting bid amounts, bid increments, and a price to buy any of the items outright. When people come to place bids on your auction items, they will provide their phone number. This not only gives you a way to reach out to them if they win, but it also allows our system to keep them very involved in the auction process so that anytime they're outbid, they will receive a text message letting them know that that has happened with a direct link to get back in and continue bidding on that item. For you as the event manager, you will receive a notification every time a bid is made. And then when you're ready to close the auction, you can either set a time for it to auto close, or you can go in and manually shut it down. This will mark all highest bidders as winners automatically and allow you to send them a direct link to pay right through your website. You will also have access to a full automated auction report, which is an Excel spreadsheet that will outline each bid that was made across every item, as well as the contact information for everyone who participated, including, of course, your winners. The Make a Donation page is fairly straightforward, but a lot of our users are pleasantly surprised by the amount of outright donations that they receive. Each BirdEase site is live for a full year, so prior to your event, you're of course taking registrations, sponsorship commitments, and you can also receive outright donations. During your event, you can make a call for donations to direct people back to this website and contribute further to your cause. Even after your event is over, you can shut down registration, use your homepage to share photos of the event and tease next year's event information, and keep this page open for the remainder of the year that your website is live. This way, the website can continue to be adaptable and useful for you. The last page here is Contact, which just gives your registrants an easy way to reach out to you if they have any questions or need assistance with signing up for your event. On the back end of the system, we do offer a full suite of features. Ease of managing registrations is a huge point of our platform. Every time somebody signs up, they are automatically added into this registrant management section, which allows you to go in and view, add, edit, or remove registrations, retrieve PDF invoicing for your registrants, and retrieve auto-generated reports. We keep a full report on file for you, which outlines all main registrants and what they signed up for, as well as all of the information they provided during sign-up. In addition to this, we keep a whole assignments report on file for you, which outlines every golfer's information and where they're teeing off from, as designated by the Whole Assignments Builder. Our Whole Assignments Builder can be accessed in the Assignments section under Builder. This allows you to sort all golfers onto tees automatically. You can drag and drop golfers or entire groups between tees at a time, and you can also manually assign or reassign groups from within their registration. On the day of the event, we do offer check-in. You can send out an online check-in email to allow folks to check in prior to your event on their own device at home, or you can just use this check-in page here, where you can search through names and check folks in as individuals or entire groups at a time. You'll notice you can also check out their tee assignment, see exactly what they purchased, if they paid yet or not, and leave notes on their registration as they show up. Our system also offers email and text message functionality, a live scoring system, and our partner center, which we call our tournament shop. Our tournament shop can also be accessed directly at BirdEaseShop.com. You'll find here that we offer a variety of different packages, from various contests to hole-in-one prize packages to signage and banners. When it comes to collecting money from your registrants, sponsors, and donors, we make it easy to receive your funds throughout the entire event process. BirdEase is not a company that will personally intake your funds, withhold a percentage of your profit, and cut you a check at the end. Instead, we make it possible for you to link up to your own preferred payment processor to have funds flow directly to your own bank account. You'll see here a list of the processors that we currently support. If you already have an account with any of these processors, you can click to use, provide the requested linking information, and you'll be set up and ready to go. Whatever card processing rate your provider currently charges and wherever your money typically goes will remain the same when used through your BirdEase website. Our platform never charges you or your registrants any sort of additional, hidden, or registration fees. If we scroll up past this list of processors, you will see that we offer an option called BirdEase Payments. This is our partnered processing option. This allows you to sign up for a merchant account to take funds through your BirdEase website. The card processing rate through our payment partner is 3.9%. You can choose to absorb this, have the registrant cover it, or make it optional and allow your registrant to decide. It's very important to note that this 3.9% is not charged by the BirdEase platform. It is the card processing rate per transaction set by our payment partner. With this option, you'll be able to pull transaction reports, issue refunds, and manually enter card numbers from right here within your dashboard. Regardless of whatever way you go in terms of card payment processing, we do always auto-generate each registrant and sponsor an invoice. If you'd like to go in and edit your invoice template to specify where checks should be made payable to and mailed to, you are more than welcome to do that. This would allow high-level sponsors with a high price tag or any registrant that's not comfortable with paying online the opportunity to remit payment to you internally and avoid a card processing rate. When it comes to our platform specifically, we are built around nonprofits and people trying to raise funds. For that reason, we like to keep prices as simple and as reasonable as we can. The BirdEase platform is $299 all-inclusive for a full year. We do not offer tiered pricing gimmicks, nor do we paywall any of our features or charge you or your registrants any hidden fees. If you would like us to set the website up for you, we do offer what we call the site building service. What we do is we send you a list of the information we would need to successfully set up your event website. Once we receive your event information back from you, we get your site turned around within 48 hours for your review. From there, we would make a complete round of edits to make sure that you are 100% happy with your website, and then we bring you on a 20-minute live walkthrough call showing you how to use everything, as you wouldn't have been back there to learn it while setting things up. Our site building service is $199. So with the platform itself, it comes out to $498 altogether. So pretty simply put, our platform is $299, but if you'd like the expedited help with getting everything set up for your first year, it would be $498. Thank you so much for watching this whole video. We hope that it gives you some clarity on the BirdEase platform and helps make your decision process a little bit easier. If you have any questions whatsoever, please reach out to us on our marketing website to book a live demo or email in with our team. We look forward to seeing your event on our platform and seeing how successful we can make it for you this year.